California Chicken Cafe, it's one of my favorite and go-to spots for salads when I'm in LA and I want something healthy because they use the rotisserie chicken in almost everything. I normally get the California chicken salad. As you can see there, it has avocado, pita chips, feta. It's really good. And this time I decided to try the Melrose wrap that normally comes with and I tried it with the low calorie ranch and it was so good. You should definitely check it out.